This tutorial will cover how to create an announcement. Turn edit mode on. Click on the announcement link on the course menu. Click on the Create Announcement button. Type a subject for your announcement. You can select a color for your title. Type the text into the message area. Once the text is in place, you can use the formatting tools to create visual interest and to emphasize important points. I'm going to emphasize a date. I might choose to make it bold. I might choose to make the font bigger. I might change the color of the font. And I might highlight the font. My text is now formatted. Now I must attend to the other options. All announcements stay on the page for the duration of the course, unless you apply date restrictions. If I choose no date restrictions, the announcement will appear within 5 minutes of the time that I submit the announcement. If I do decide I want to restrict announcements, I can select Date Display After, and I can choose the display date after, which means the announcement will not display until after the date and time on the screen. If I want the announcement to be invisible to students after a certain date, I can select the Display Until, and the announcement will become invisible to students after the date displayed on the screen. In this case, I want to select Not Date Restricted. I can choose to select Send a copy of the announcement immediately. All course members will receive a copy of the announcement in their college email account when I submit the announcement. In the Course Link option area, you can link to areas of your course by clicking on the Browse button next to the word Location, and then selecting the area in the course that you want to link to on the course map. This will place a hyperlink in the announcement. When your announcement is complete, click the Submit button. You can see I have an announcement with color in the title, formatted text, and a link to the textbook. That concludes this tutorial on creating an announcement.